One of the tools we'll be using in this course is called PlayPosit. These are lessons that are linked from Canvas that contain a video with some content and integrated questions. The name of the tool is PlayPosit, so play, pause, it. So the goal is that you can pause and rewind as needed to understand the content. As you're doing these, you want to take notes on the material you've covered, and the slides that are used in creating the videos are available in the chapter notes. It's important that you do these assignments that are due before class so that you can understand the content and prepare you for what we're going to be doing in class the next day. There are several types of integration used in PlayPosit lessons, one of which is the pause. There are no points associated with this type of integration, and there are no questions that you need to answer. You'll read the information that's given, and then click Continue to move forward. The next type of integration you might see is a poll. In a poll, any answer will receive credit for just responding. The purpose of the polls is to gather some information about what you know or how your confidence in our abilities to solve problems. The next type of integration is a multiple choice question. These are worth points, and you simply have to submit the correct answer to earn the point. After you select an answer and submit, you will be shown whether your answer was correct or incorrect. The next type of integration is a multiple answer question. You have to select multiple options in order to get the correct answer, and there's no partial credit given. If you get one part correct and another part incorrect, you will not earn the point. At the end of a lesson, your score will be automatically submitted to Canvas, but you need to make sure that you get all the way to the end before you exit. Notice here at the end we see the title of the bulb, your score, and then a button that shows the word Submitted to indicate that your score was transferred back to Canvas.